long time I haven't dreamed of you. How are you doing? Your grandchildren are grown now, just like the parents in the old days. 梦是颗侥幸厨房真爱这把梦出我期望苦跌开眼 We're all grown up, we're all working hard in life. Everyone has a kind heart and no one turned out bad. I remember when you were still with us. Back when you slowly started getting sick, you told me a great life is better than a rich life. One is wealthy and one is poor, but when both have no love, they cry when the world gets dark. You said it doesn't matter if a house is big or small, its purpose is the same, to protect you from the rain and life stress will come. And when it does, don't fall, just smile so you overcome. Don't fall, just smile so you overcome it. Your final words, Grandma, the ones you left for me. I remember tiny footsteps running straight into your arms. You were the only one who kept me safe from harm. Grandma, you were sunlight when my whole sky felt dim. Every prayer you whispered felt like heaven pulling me in. You wiped my tears softly, set me through, don't be scared. No matter how broken I was, you were always there. You made my sausage sizzling, filling the home with love. Everybody felt like a blessing that was sent from above. You carried all my worries even when your body was weak. Smiled through the pain just to lift me when I couldn't speak. I didn't know then, but now I feel it deep in my chest. You gave every piece of yourself so I could grow and rest. If I could turn back time, I'd hold your hands longer. Every memory of you still makes my heart stronger. Grandma, you were my shelter when the world felt unkind. I still walk with your love echoing softly in my mind. I still walk with your love echoing in my mind. Don't fall. I'm standing at your graveside with cold wind on my face, burning incense in my hands just to feel a little trace of the warmth you used to give me when life felt too heavy. Now the silence hits different cause you're not here to steady. I like Txhawj paper slowly, let the ashes rise tonight. They say it reaches ancestors, Grandma, hope it reaches you right. Ever since you left, everything feels incomplete, like a song missing chords, like a heart with no beat. I kneel by your stone, whisper stories from my day, pretending you're listening like nothing ever slipped away. Every visit breaks me down, but it's the only place you feel near, where the breeze sounds like your voice and the memories reappear. I leave incense burning, let the smoke say what I can. All the love I never spoke, all the prayers I still chant. And before I walk away, my tears fall where you sit. I wrote this song for you, so please tell me in my dream how much you liked it.
要向我播动人地情报说这个搞混鸟里加了么？个对米生子都弄不了你了，这里丫头糊了啊！哎，说天地天比天这的家，把地方都没小母奴，而一天的来年这孤独公民中民公奴，天安娜苏太敢爆，做铁爹鼓扫铁街，现在被漏了影子，可铁都写的，报道电视的路写的，抛弃莫都来里 here。 空要打头个整个被鸟，路西后头个谁打到比默默，个还得苦还跌，路内容是容下路内爱莫念，一度漠和一度破，二零寂寞都路街头中东个二零也火火，这个鸟姐没了鸟姐了，观众给你路好别主要了，太个各种都那是那么，我那鸟姐给你写你应用了，同你了解水轮起爱操烂到的许多给你写那么。